Babaw Kabalen, welcome to Pampanga guys. Para sa video na to, nandito tayo ngayon sa JunJun's Kalayaan. Kasama natin si Sir Liam ng Wilarts Enterprise. Ano ka ba? JunJun's baby ka ba?
Yes.
Ano yung mga memories mo sa JunJun's?
Siyempre yung bibingka nila, number one.
I'm dead. Nagpa-take out na agad si Sir, di pa tapos. Di ba Sir Liam, yun yung all year round and na-enjoy natin yung bibingka. And like before, parang halimbawa sa mga ibang establishments or sa mga daan, tuwing Pasko lang.
Pag gusto mo ng bibingka, siyempre nag-crave ka minsan.
Yes.
Tatakbuhan mo, JunJun's.
Alam mo Sir, ako naman yung sa JunJun's, ang pinaka talaga na tumatatak sa akin, yung kanilang sauce.
Sauce.
Kasi sauce pa lang, ulam na. Guys, samahan niyo po kami ngayon. Actually, kukwento namin sa inyo ang storya ng kanilang customer journey with JunJun's Bibingka and barbecue. Baka ganun din yung story na maaring mangyari po sa inyo. If you are interested to know more about the products and services na pinoprovide po ni Wilarts, samahan niyo po kami sa video na to. But for now, enjoy muna natin yung food.
Let's eat siya.
Eat muna tayo. Alright.
I'm Jose Guillermo Arbarlin, currently managing JunJun's Kalayaan and Guago branch. So, third generation po ako from my lolo to my dad. Then, right now, I'm trying to follow the footsteps of the family. JunJun started 1968, business that sells bibingka sa railroad tracks ng San Fernando, Pampanga. This is the branch currently sa Dolores now. Yeah, relocated na. So, nag-start po kasi kami sa railroad tracks ng San Fernando. Hindi naman siya pure luck. It's mostly hard work rin ng lolo and lola ko. Since they weren't that well-off rin, they started a business as hanap buhay lang with the grace of God and the treatment we give our customers. We prioritize the food that we serve sa customers namin kahit na medyo we're in the budget side of the restaurant industry. We still focus on what made us grow sa business, which is barbecue and bibingka talaga. So up to now, we haven't removed those. Yun pa rin po yung staple namin sa restaurant. Binabalikan pa rin, sauce lang naman. Yung sauce pa rin namin eh. Kahit nga hindi barbecue yung kinakain nila, they still request for the sauce ng business, which has stayed the same over decades na rin and hindi pa rin nagbabago. Yun pa rin yung feedback sa amin ng mga customers namin, which we really do appreciate from them kasi it's something to be proud of na after 50 years, 55 years, yun pa rin po yung binabalik-balikan pa rin sa amin. So, 2 to 3 years ago, naghahanap kami ng supplier namin for uniforms kasi we wanted to rebrand kasi dati iba yung colors namin and then yung uniform namin medyo faded na. Hindi siya appealing sa mga customers if luma na yung uniform. So, when I tried to check online, sa Facebook specifically, I saw Wilarts. Super rush kasi namin noon since December na. May nakausap po kami sa Wilarts and pinayagan po kami sa request namin. Binigay yung half ng uniforms para lang may masuot kami sa December. Nag-commit naman po sila sa date and time na kung kailan namin pwede pick up uniform. So, super ayos rin po ng customer service nila. So from that, up to now, sila pa rin binabalikan namin kasi yun nga po, number one, customer service nila. Nakakagaan lang kasi when you talk to them, parang they prioritize you rin. And ayun, the quality of their uniforms. So up to now, yung mga gamit namin uniforms is what we bought years ago and hindi pa rin siya nagpe-fade, maayos pa rin yung tela. Ay matibay talaga yung ginagawa nila, yung quality. For me kasi sa business, customer service is one thing na customers go back to. Kahit mas mahal ka, kahit mas mura ka, if maayos yung treatment sa'yo ng mga agents, ng mga owners ng business, babalikan ka pa rin. Actually, marami na rin ako na-recommend na friends ko, clients namin sa Wilarts kasi I know and I'm confident na hindi mag-fail yung Wilarts sa pag-provide ng maayos na uniforms and services sa mga future clients nila. Those who haven't tried the restaurant yet, come and visit us here at Kalayaan branch. This is our newest branch, number 16 Kalayaan Service Road, San Fernando, Pampanga. We also have a branch in San Matias, Guagua. So if you guys want to visit there, we also have other branches. You can check out our Facebook page for the list of branches and our website, JunJun'srestaurant.com.